Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time here. It's just Uchey. So I am currently on my way to the hospital because a young girl is about to extract her teeth. This is such an experience. Let's have a little flashback. I have had holes in my teeth for the longest time, but this extraction tragedy started when I was eating a fruit called guava and it decided to get stuck in my right tooth. And so I had to eat with my left tooth, which also has holes, and my left tooth started paining me, and basically my whole mouth was paining me and I couldn't eat anymore. Took antibiotics for 2 weeks, no improvement, and a young girl had to drag herself to the hospital. Okay. So I went to the hospital on a Thursday morning, but sadly, they don't do extractions on a Thursday. And I was so heartbroken because a young girl had already had the mind that, okay, oh, she's going to be free. But so I had to go the next day because all I could do on Thursday was just extractions. And here I'm just trying to show you guys the teeth that are giving me issues. So as you can see, those two right there, left and right, lower 6, lower 7. I don't know which is which, but yeah. So this procedure was a 2-part process because basically I can't extract 2 sides at the same time because they can't numb 2 sides, which was so annoying. Like, let's get this thing done and over with, I beg. I didn't vlog, like I didn't video inside the hospital so much because like it's hospital environment. I wasn't just ready for all those shenanigans. So yeah. So basically when you get to the hospital, you're going to need to buy a card. If you have like a card is like 1,000 naira. The hospital is located at Tafawa Balewa Square. It's a government-owned hospital, so it's pretty cheap. I already, bought a card yesterday, so all I had to do was just like check it for them to open me in, something of that sort, and then the hospital thing started. I waited though. So now when it's time for the extraction, they are first going to numb one side of the mouth. You're going to lie on that chair. They're going to like put on the lights and all those hospital things. It's like a mini operation, and they're going to like choke injections on your gum and on like the side walls of your mouth. So when they are extracting the teeth, you're not really going to feel pain. You're going to feel pressure, okay? But for me, when they started, like when they gave me the first dose, I was still feeling pain, so I had to get like a second dose of the injection, so for me to like feel less pain. But you're really going to feel the pressure. You're going to feel them putting whatever instrument they are using and pulling it out. You're going to feel all the pressure. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to make you understand how it feels, but you're not going to feel pain, okay? I sat out. I waited there for a while because when you're done, you're going to have to stop bleeding, change cotton wools and all those protocols. When I was done with it, I was in so much pain. I wasn't in a lot of pain actually, but I couldn't open my mouth due to pain. I don't know how to explain it. The anesthesia stays for like 2 hours. So I didn't feel much pain, but I couldn't open my mouth because of how I felt. So I had to get she gave me like a shot. I think it was antibiotics. I don't know what she gave me. I bought a bunch of drugs, antibiotics, painkillers, because all those things. After the extraction is the work, okay? Because you're going to have to do warm water solution. And trust me, that thing ain't easy because that's basically what heals you, not drugs. I did another extraction for my other teeth. I don't know if you can really see it. It really hurts to open my mouth. So I did another extraction yesterday and I have to start with my warm water solution. So actually I'm supposed to use the bigger size, but this is the size I have, and I'm to use a teaspoon, level teaspoon of salt. Because I'm using like the smaller size, I use half teaspoon. This vlog is going to be really weird because I'm stealing my sister's phone, guys. She catch me, she will shoot me. I have no phone at this point, so let's just get into this. Yeah, so then I'm just going to level this. After I've leveled it, I'm just going to take half of the leveled. So it's half a level teaspoon I'm using because I'm using half the size, and I'm just going to pour it into my water, stir it, chill for it to, be cool a bit, and put it in my mouth for 2 to 3 minutes, pour it out, and use it to fill the cup. So I have to do this 8 times a day, 3 times in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, 3 at night. I don't think I can do that because the first time I did, like, the max I did was, okay, I did 8 in a day, just one, but the rest of that, 6, 5, and 4. See what it's later. This is the next day. That's like day 2 after the day of the extraction, and I just did my first round of solution. So I'm going to eat. I have yams, fast food, and have to eat. Take my drugs, and that's it for this morning. I do 2 extra rounds. Good morning. Just woke up a few minutes ago, and I'll just give you like an update on my teeth. So basically, this is a week and 2 days after. So I still actually like feeling some form of healing. Like things start reducing. Yes, it has been aching ever since. I don't know. This time I was just different. I think it's because the wound was much deep. I had more injury during the removal, during the surgery, and so it was just. So let me just show you how I've made progress so far. I don't know if I can see that one here. That is the most painful. That thing is so painful. Like, it's very uncomfortable. I think it was like what they used to remove it, because like normally they used one, I don't even know anything, but this one they used 1, this one they used 3, so they had to remove one thing, and it wasn't but because it fractured in the way, they had to use something like, see, a plier, like a huge plier that they were trying to use to bring it out. So I think in the process it's like injured because it's sharp, and so at least we are getting better now. That's progress, because my birthday is coming on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, and someone wants to eat cake and wants to eat all the pudding. So that's basically the update. I also had to switch the cups I use. So I started using a cup like double the size of what I use, because like the healing wasn't coming. I just wanted to switch it up just yesterday afternoon. So yes, and I've actually not been consistent in my home water solution. The last time I was able to do it like 6 times, 7 times, 5 times a day. But this time around, for the past 2 days, I've been doing like 3 times. So I can understand why it's quite slow. And by the time I say finished along the course, and I didn't buy it till after 2 days. So I can understand why it's really slow. I'm going to try and say like a picture of the cup. This kitchen is one, and I'll show it. That'll be all for now. So you guys, the audio continues. This was definitely a process. Okay, I went to the hospital with 2 holes. I realized I had 6. 2 is out, 4 has to be filled, which I will still do later. My birthday came, I ate cake. It was all good vibes. It's currently like a month after I extracted, but my teeth isn't properly healed because I still have a little bit of teeth left in my gum. I'll still go to the hospital, but remember when I'm ready. And one thing to note, you have to brush your teeth twice daily, guys. Take it seriously. Checkups are also advisable at least twice in a year. And that's it. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.